What's going on, guys? Brandon from Boiling Trading here. Coming to you for a nice little recap today. We're going to go over the daily notes and what we post an hour before market open here, right? So September 5th is today, 7:24 a.m., an hour before central market open for me. These are all the plays on the breakdown that I do post for my team. And we're going to go over some of those plays right now. So Apple, we have the 211.30 daily gap hold on the top. Just watch that level of hold. We had a really good level of that hold right here on pre-market. Had the nice rocket up. We also had a call for the VWAP retrace. So first VWAP tag of the day. Very typical large cap stock play here. And then had another little ramp. This one has a pretty good progression look to it. We're still targeting the weekly resistance or 216. We just got to break over this late day. Market strength continuing with that China trade deal news here. So if we can clear over that 214 and some change, we're still targeting 216. On this little swing, we have a nice little W. So pullback is applicable if it does happen. Just got to hold by tomorrow the 211.30s. I'll still be bullish on it. And we're going to go over a couple other Roku plays here. Roku is the weakness play today. I was watching a over-under level from yesterday, which essentially was the bounce point to the T. So we watched the over-under, came all the way back down to the 166.40s. Daily notes on Roku. Let's see, it says follow trend per usual. It's on path for a FOMO breakout. Use pre-levels. So we posted that about an hour back here, so it was on pace for breakout. As we got closer to the market bell, we posted this over-under level because it looked real weak. Once we closed under the 200, we lost the 50 cross to the VWAP. It didn't happen. So, and we're under the 100 EMA. Roku respects the 100 EMA very well. So as we've seen the downtrend start, we put this level up for an over-under, popped it right into the 100 EMA, of course, for rejection. I played the secondary weakness here for a short, rolled it all the way down to right to a break of lows here into 163. So made only one equity trade today. This was the only short I took, a little $123 scalp there. Not too shabby on Roku. Let's get into some of the other plays here. Which one are we going to go over? Facebook was one of the better ones today. Facebook was looking at trend. All we had to do was hold our daily trends. Here are the two levels that we picked, 188.30s and, of course, the 188. The 199 is a misprint in the daily notes there. It says 199 is gap support on the daily, which of course I meant the 188, not the 199. I was one button off on the keyboard. So this is the 188, not the 199 from the daily notes. That was a misprint. But right here, right to the T, right to the penny, dropped, pushed all the way up. Target was the 190.60s, obviously recovering that. We called it easy continuation breakout over trend here. Very nice play there on breakout Facebook. BA, we had a couple really nice trades here on BA, looking for more long side potential. Right from the daily notes, still holding recovery trend. I want to see 358 hold early or the 200 EMA as support. We didn't get any of those. This thing just ripped right out of the gate. So what do? Waited for VWAP. Came back down, tagged our first VWAP. We got the 50 cross. We had two applicable W plays right now. Still consolidating sideways, still pretty bullish. Still not overly upset about it, but really good long play here. Google was another one. We wanted to see the 1190 hold. Here's the 1190 down here. Didn't get the pullback. 1200 was our next level of hold, so we gapped right up, continued, held the 1200. We took some put spreads long here on the credit, so as long as we're over 1200 tomorrow, easy $80 on the small account challenge that we are doing. So with that being said, you can look over some of the other daily notes here. V is going back up. Snapchat I didn't even check out. Walmart was looking good at Disney holding 138. A lot of nice little applicable plays there today off the daily list. Let's talk about a little bit about the small account challenge because I am introducing this again here. Let me just grab the Robinhood portfolio here. Drag her down. This is just the base. These are the only two options left we had open. We had only started with $300 in here. Made a couple little plays 2 days ago, somewhere around last week, maybe. I forget what it was. But either way, we have this beyond spread. All it has to do is, for this credit, is to close above 165 here by tomorrow. We're looking pretty good. If I don't like the way it's trending, maybe later today and it pulls back near the 165, doesn't look like it wants to hold, I could try to close the spread out for a little bit. But right now we're at just under 50% of the entire contract equity. We're trying to lock in the credit of $143 for tomorrow. Knock this account up a little bit more. And then of course we do have that Google spread here. Looking to capitalize $80 as long as this closes. Here's the average credit here. We'll get $80 as long as we're over 1200, the sold put here on our credit put long. And we'll lock it another little bit there. So we're looking at another 180 to $200 on another play I'm watching right now on the Robinhood account. So we might be able to get this to about $600 tomorrow, thus making about 100% on the week here. Let's see if we're looking at Google right now, but with that small account, we also have the Tastyworks today. Today I had an Amazon closeout on our Tastyworks account. I don't have that one on the PC. I have it on the other platform here, but I will be reviewing my Tastyworks account. I did throw $300 in there as well. Made 40 some bucks on a Roku short today, and then 105 on an Amazon. So we're up over 58% on that small account as well today. I post all my P&Ls at Walshy Trades, so you can check out the Instagram, check the P&Ls, check the small account challenge, and keep up with us here. And you can look forward to some more in-depth videos on how we're going to be doing this small account challenge with Robinhood, Tastyworks, E-Trade, and First Trade. Yes, 4 platforms. So that's it for today. We'll see you guys bright and early in the morning.